Let's talk about header based SQLi exploitation. So I already found header based SQLi on this parameter. See this? If I'm giving a backslash here, it's giving me an error. So that means this is vulnerable. Now I have to balance the query. So see, learn the new technique of balancing. See this, if you are firing single quote and minus minus plus, what will happen there? Single quote and minus minus space. So the value will get fixed, but the other part will be get comment out. So then maybe if you are trying this, see this, if you are trying this single quote and minus minus space, what happened there? It's not fixing, okay, it's not balancing. So I'll try this now. I'll try single quote, I'll try sleep directly for time based 5. I'll try there, and now I'll try some character that a equal to a. See this, what will happen? If this will fix, then our payload will get executed and it will sleep for 5 seconds, and because this is a true value also, that's why. So let's do this now on the repeater field. So a single quote space or sleep for 5 seconds. So sleep for 5 seconds if this is a true value, equal to a. See this? Now let's see this, it's sleeping for 5 seconds. That means this is a vulnerable. Yes, you can also try 1 equal to or 1 equal to 1. Let's try this now. It's working. If you're trying 1 equal to 2, it's also working, but it's nothing. So there is no blind boolean, there is blind time based. Because if you are doing this or sleep 10 seconds, it's sleeping for 10 seconds. So this is a vulnerable by blind time based SQLi.